In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Hubspot videos. This process isn't as straightforward as you might hope, but with the right steps, it's definitely manageable and will take about 5 minutes to explain. First and foremost, it's important to note that Hubspot doesn't allow you to directly download video files individually. However, there's a workaround that involves exporting all your Hubspot files, videos included, into a single zip file. It's worth mentioning here that to perform this export, you'll need to have super admin permissions on your Hubspot account. Make sure you have these permissions before you begin. Alright, let's dive into the process. Start by opening up your preferred web browser and type in the URL w.hubspot.com. Once the web page loads, go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your account details and you'll be brought to the Hubspot dashboard. Navigate your way to the Files tool by directing your cursor over to the Library menu, then select Files. This is where all your uploaded content is stored, and we'll be using this area to access and export your video files. Next, you'll want to look for the option to export your files. On the Files page there should be a button that says Export All Files, Zip. By clicking this, you're informing HubSpot that you wish to create a zip file of all the files in your library. After clicking this option, the system will prompt you to select or enter an email address. It's crucial you provide one where you can conveniently access for the next steps. This is the email that will receive a link to download your export once it is processed. Once you've entered the appropriate email address, go ahead and confirm the export by clicking the Export button. This action essentially sends a request for HubSpot to prepare a zip file of your complete file library. Sit tight for a moment because processing can take a bit of time depending on how many files you have. When the export is finally ready, HubSpot will notify you via email. This email will contain a link to download your zip file. Navigate to your email inbox and look for this message, open the email and click on the download link to get your zip file. This file will house all of your HubSpot files, including the videos you're interested in. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded your HubSpot videos along with other files. Make sure to unzip the downloaded file once it's on your device so you can easily access each piece of content. Remember, keeping organized and ensuring you have necessary permissions ahead of time will save you from any hiccups along the way. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in downloading your HubSpot videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.